Your everyday detailer.
What's up, gang? We back with another one. We got a Honda Black Edition. Excuse me, Honda Pilot Black Edition. I think that's because of these black rims and it look like you got some black tint on it. Stop. All black interior, black everywhere, black, red, black. Yeah, I guess that's why they call it the black Honda, bro. What you think? All this black in here?
Black interior.
Yeah. Me and my boy already vacuumed that joint. We still got to throw some soap on it and put some tire shine on it. Nothing too crazy. Open this trunk real quick. Show y'all how big the trunk space is in the back. It's an all-wheel drive. Black edition. Trunk is cool. Trunk is cool. Could be more space in the trunk, but I guess this is more for a family. So if you're looking for something that's kind of mediocre space, but a lot of space in the inside, probably for you. The front of it. Top of it up there. We'll come back down here. Guess I gotta get an open stent so it's sitting there looking kind of pretty. And then, what's up with y'all, man? It's your boy. But yeah, show y'all what my boy doing over here. Y'all don't never really see this process. Yeah, we do wipe down the inside too. We just don't record it because it's like everybody wipes the inside. But hey, we do have a little special chemical, pink stuff. That's what he's using. We're gonna wipe down the whole car. I'm gonna soap up the outside while he's doing that. And we're gonna give y'all a little quick review, last detail. Dang, bro, I hate when they already be kind of cleaned up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Is that bad that I hate when shit be clean? Yeah, that's true. Imagine working at a dealership though. You never really clean cars. You really just touching it up off the truck, you know? Unless you work at a used car dealership. Put the red stuff on the tires. that right there, y'all. That joint right there hard. But they put black edition in the seat. It's kind of tough. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This joint hard.